Ever wondered how your favorite butter chicken is made? Well, today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind this mouth-watering dish that has won the hearts of food lovers around the globe. Known as Murg Makhani in its homeland, butter chicken hails from the vibrant culinary landscape of India. It's a tantalizing blend of tender chicken pieces, bathed in a rich, buttery sauce that's packed with aromatic spices. To make your very own butter chicken, you'll need the following ingredients. Chicken, of course, and yogurt for marinating. You'll also need lemon juice, turmeric, garam masala, and cumin to add that signature Indian flavor. For the buttery sauce, you'll need butter, onion, garlic, and ginger for that aromatic base. Add a bit of heat with chili powder, enrich it with ground almonds, add depth with tomato puree, and finish it off with a splash of double cream. And let's not forget the fresh coriander for that finishing touch. With these ingredients at the ready, you're about to create culinary magic. The secret to a flavorful butter chicken lies in the marinade. It's what infuses our chicken with those rich, complex flavors that make this dish so irresistible. So, let's dive right into it. First, we'll start with the yogurt. It's not just there for creaminess, but also to tenderize the chicken. Then we'll add in some lemon juice, which brightens up the flavors and adds a touch of acidity. Now, let's talk about spices. We'll mix in turmeric, known for its warm, earthy taste, and garam masala, a blend of ground spices that's the heart of many Indian dishes. And let's not forget the cumin, which brings a nice smoky note to the party. Once we have our marinade, it's time to introduce it to the chicken. Make sure every piece is well coated. Ideally, we want this to marinate for a minimum of 1 hour. But if you can let it sit overnight, the flavors will deepen and intensify. While the chicken soaks up the flavors, let's move on to the sauce. The heart of butter chicken is its rich and creamy sauce. This is where the magic happens, where the flavors meld and the taste comes alive. Let's get started. Take a generous knob of butter and let it melt in a pan over medium heat. As it begins to sizzle, add in finely chopped onions, minced garlic, and grated ginger. This trio is the foundation of many Indian dishes, providing a depth of flavor that is simply irresistible. As we cook, the onions will turn a lovely golden brown. The aroma wafting through the kitchen is a divine blend of the sweet onions, the pungent garlic, and the spicy ginger. Now, it's time to dial up the heat. Sprinkle in a dash of chili powder, careful not to go overboard. We want a pleasant warmth, not a 5-alarm fire. Follow this with a handful of crushed almonds. They not only add a subtle nuttiness, but also help to thicken the sauce. Next, we stir in a generous dollop of tomato puree. This will give our sauce its characteristic tang and vibrant color. Allow it to simmer gently, the flavors deepening, the sauce thickening to a velvety consistency. Finally, we stir in the double cream. This is what gives our butter chicken its luscious, creamy texture. As the cream melds with the spices, the sauce transforms into a rich, flavorful delight that will make your taste buds dance. Now that the sauce is ready, it's time to cook the chicken. Now, on to the star of the show, the chicken. As we delve into this part, remember, patience is key. The first step is to heat a pan over medium flame. Once heated, introduce our marinated chicken to the pan. It's time for the chicken to sizzle and dance in the heat, absorbing the flavors of the marinade. Let the chicken cook until it's thoroughly done, but be mindful not to rush this process. You want every piece to be cooked to perfection, ensuring a succulent bite every time. Now for the piece de resistance, the sauce. Pour the prepared sauce over the cooked chicken, letting it cascade down, enveloping each piece in its rich, creamy goodness. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. This is where the magic happens. The chicken absorbs the flavors of the sauce, becoming tender and flavorful, a culinary symphony in every bite. And there you have it, your very own homemade butter chicken. So, there you have it. We've journeyed through the delightful stages of making butter chicken. Marinating the chicken to infuse it with rich flavors, preparing a creamy, aromatic sauce, and cooking the chicken just right for that tender goodness. The finale is when we marry all these elements together, resulting in a dish that's a symphony of flavors. Each stage plays a crucial role in creating the final masterpiece. With this recipe, you can now enjoy your favorite butter chicken right at home. Happy cooking!